Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. We're going to start off on the 3-hour as there is some crappy data that's been added to the charts over the weekend. So this little candle that's out here, and there's another one up here. Okay, so it's actually putting the daily picture out of proportion. But anyway, so for the 3-hour, we've had a couple of things in place. So the first thing is we've broken through this breakout level. We've had a twist in the moving averages, and as you can see, we are currently gapped. We have currently gapped down, but I suspect I'd like to see the gap close in actual fact, and then look for shorts. Okay, so for me, we've broken through. We've come up, not quite a retest, but I want to see that retest, the retest be successful, and then move to the downside. The next thing that we need to pay attention to is this diagonal trend line. So there was my first fractal, there's my second fractal, that's where you draw the trend line. We almost had a third touch of it, fourth touch of it, bounced off it there. And here we've had a close below it. We rallied back into, it's actually a channel. There it is there. Okay. So you can channel or a wedge. It doesn't really matter which way you want to look at it. It's a consolidation pattern. And now what's happened is we are below this trend line. Now the problem that we've got, and this is very typical of the Dow, is we could have another trend line there, or alternatively we could have a third trend line here. Okay. So, and this one here almost lines up as a channel with the top one. Okay. So anyway, for me at this stage, there are a couple of things at play. We've had a grouping of oscillators to the upside. We're now sort of grouping in the middle of nowhere. And we've broken below this breakout. We've come back, we've tested, and now the moving averages have also crossed over on the 3-hour. Okay. So if we just look at the daily, this is our daily close. Okay. So let's just look at the daily quickly, and you'll see what I mean. So this trend line right at the top here, that's the close. So we had a little bit of a red bar sort of closing on this breakout. Okay, daily trend is still up. Yeah, I don't see any diversions there. See a double top, and that's it. And our our oscillators are all grouped to the upside, indicating we're at a level and we need to look for a deeper pullback before we get back in long. Okay, so for today, after the long weekend, what we're looking for is some consolidation, and the trend is down at the moment. So we're looking for shorts, but what we are looking for is this gap to close, and then looking to get in short with a stop above the swing high here. Okay, that's kind of what we're looking for. I'd also expect this 200 moving average to hold up price. You can see both 200 averages are congregating here, but look to the left, and you can see how it lines up with all these swing highs, all these inside tails, which is pretty much our level. Okay, next level to the downside is obviously this one here. Okay, so for today, short it is, looking for a little bit of a pullback and then an opportunity to get short. And I would say that this gap is probably, I mean, it's only 60 points away, so there's this gap and there's another little gap up here. So that's what I would expect. I'd expect the gap to close and then a continuation to the downside. Okay, first target is going to be 26,744. Second target is going to be 26,654. Okay, so that's kind of my view today. The last thing that I would do here is, let's just get rid of the noise. This was our move down. That's our second move, which brings us into this area here. Okay, so there. Okay, so that's my view today. Hope that helped you somewhat. And looking for shorts, as long as the moving averages stay like this on the 1 hour at the moment, I'll trade with that and go with the trend to the downside. The bigger picture, I still believe we are in a massive consolidation pattern here. Okay, and this trend line here on the 4 hour is actually the one we need to be worried about, and we are below it. You can see the 4 hour's got a crossover as well. So that to me is a retest. There's my breakouts. Looking for that retest. So I'm looking to get in short at 26,900. 26,900 is the area I'm looking for the shorts, and looking to go all the way back down to this area down here of 26,685, 26,657. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.